Are you living in Poland as a foreigner? Have you ever considered how quickly immigration policies can change? Across Europe and the US, governments are cracking down on illegal stays, and Poland is no exception. In today's video, we'll break down the shocking scale of deportations happening right now, how Poland is leading the charge, and what other major countries like the US, the UK, and Germany are doing to control migration. Stay until the end as we reveal expert advice on how to avoid deportation and secure your future. Over 30,000 foreigners were ordered to leave Poland last year alone. Do you think you are safe? Think again. Are you unknowingly making the three biggest mistakes that almost guarantee deportation? Stay tuned to find out how to avoid them. A single deportation notice can ruin years of effort. We will show you exactly what to do if you receive one, so don't miss out. Poland's immigration crackdown is a new model for Europe. Poland has taken one of the strictest stances in Europe against illegal migration. The government has ramped up large-scale operations to detect foreigners who have overstayed their visas, failed to comply with legal requirements, or engaged in unauthorized work. Just recently, on February 13th and 14th, nearly 1,000 border guard officers conducted a nationwide sweep, inspecting over 2,400 foreigners. The result? Nearly 400 deportation proceedings initiated within 48 hours. The most affected groups were Ukrainian nationals, followed by Georgians and Colombians, other nationalities including citizens from Nepal and Philippines, India, Bangladesh, Belarus, Indonesia and Moldova were also scrutinized. Some were deported for overstaying, while others were flagged as security risks. While many countries debate how to handle migration, Poland is taking swift action. If you are in Poland, your legal status must be in order, because inspections are only increasing. Residence Angel specializes in helping people appeal deportation orders. If you or someone you know is at risk, contact us immediately for expert assistance. So let's start from Germany. With over 300,000 rejected asylum seekers, Germany has struggled with deportations. Despite pledging to tighten immigration laws, the process remains slow due to legal hurdles and human rights concerns. However, a new migration policy aims to fast-track removals. Second place is France. The French government has intensified efforts to deport illegal migrants, particularly those involved in criminal activity. Recent cases show that France is becoming stricter, especially when it comes to individuals deemed a security threat. Portugal. Unlike Poland, Portugal has taken more lenient approach, granting residency to thousands of undocumented immigrants as part of their humanitarian policy. UK. Post-Brexit, the UK is enforcing stricter border controls. Unauthorized stays or illegal work can result in immediate deportation and multi-year entry bans. USA. In the US, immigration is a politically charged issue. Authorities conduct frequent raids, and undocumented individuals face detention and deportation. However, lengthy court battles often delays removals for years. Compared to these countries, Poland is moving quickly and efficiently. If you are staying in Poland without proper documentation, your risk of deportation is higher than... Compared to these countries, Poland is moving quickly and efficiently. If you are staying in Poland without proper documentation, your risk of deportation is higher than even before. So let's answer to the very popular question. So who is at risk in Poland? If you are a foreigner in Poland, understanding the key reasons for deportation is critical. Expired visas of residence permits, working without a valid work permit, fake student status or fraudulent university enrollment, accumulated tax debts or unpaid social contributions, criminal activity including disorderly conduct or unpaid fines. Polish authorities impose strict entry bans, sometimes up to 5 years, on individuals who violate immigration laws. So, how to avoid deportation in Poland? To remain legally in Poland, follow these critical steps. Verify your residence permit. If you entered with a Schengen visa, you have only 14 days to apply for a Polish residence permit. Maintain legitimate student status. Ensure your tuition fees are paid and you are actively studying. Stay updated on TRC on your temporary residence card procedures. Submit all necessary documents on time. Avoid any tax and social security debts. Unpaid obligations can lead to serious consequences. Work legally. Employers hiring illegal workers and facing penalties, and you risk immediate deportation. Residence Angels has helped hundreds of foreigners successfully appeal deportation cases. If you receive a deportation notice, act immediately. What is the future of immigration in Poland? With upcoming elections and economic pressures, Poland's deportation policies are expected to remain strict through 2026. Border checks will become more frequent, and violations will carry even harsher consequences. If you are living in Poland, now is the time to ensure your paperwork is in order. Ignoring immigration laws can result in deportation and an entry ban affecting travel across the entire Schengen zone. The situation for foreigners in Poland is becoming more challenging. Failing to follow the law can result in deportation and long-term bans. This crackdown is happening now, and thousands are already affected. If you are at risk of deportation, do not wait until it's too late. Residence Angels is here to help you fight back. Contact us today and we will guide you through the appeal process. For more insight, you can read our detailed article on our website where we explain step by step how to avoid deportation and secure your future in Poland. Contact Residence Angels now for legal assistance and make sure you stay in Poland legally.